Hi everyone, this is Nicole, the crafty baby, and welcome to my channel. I'll be posting more videos like this one, so if you like it, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to make stickers using Cricut Design Space. Let's do it. First, we're going to create a white rectangle the size of a US letter, so 8 by 11 inches. To do this, we have to unlock the image first. And this is just to give us an idea of how many stickers we want to fit in one sheet of sticker paper, but also how big we want each of them to be. Now we're going to click on the image bottom at the left and pick all the images we want to make as stickers. Once you're ready, just click on the green Add to Canvas button at the bottom right. Now that we have all the images added to the canvas, we're going to select one of them and click at the offset button at the top. My always go-to size is 0.15, but you can play around those numbers and make it the size you want. Before you hit apply, you're going to see a blue line, which is basically just giving you an idea of the size of the border. Hit apply when you're ready, and voila! Now you can change the color to white or whatever color you want. Now this next step is one of the most important ones. We're going to select both images, and when I say this, I mean the tulip and the white border. This function puts both of them together as a one. The white border that we just created is a whole new picture behind the flower, so we have to select both of them and click on the flatten bottom at the bottom left. Here is a reference of what really happens to your picture when you flatten. Anyways, I think you get it right. Now we're gonna repeat the same process with all the other images and fit them all nicely in the white rectangle. Once you have found the right size, we're going to click on the Make It button at the top right, and it's going to send us to the Prepare sheet, where we can pick the position of each flower. In my case, one of them did not fit and it was placed in a different sheet of paper, but I went ahead and transferred it. And to do this, you just have to click on the three dots at the top left of the image. Then click on Move Object and bada bing bada boom. Okay, now that my image was added to the principal sheet, I'm going to arrange it so it's not on top of any of my other images. Okay, finally we're ready to print. This is a simple step. Just pick the printer you would like to use. You don't need the bleed on stickers that have a white border, but my computer adds it automatically, so I always leave it on in case I forget. Now that we have printed our stickers, I always laminate them so they can last longer. I tried using the heat laminator, but it was too much work and you don't really need to buy one of those. Right now I'm using the SCOTCH Simply Laminator that I found at Target for $6. This laminator sheet is pretty simple to use. You just need to make sure you do it slowly so you don't get any bubbles in there. You can also use your scraper to help you get rid of the bubbles if you get some. As you can see, this laminator sheet comes with a sticky paper and a hard back cover. I only use the sticky front part of it because once we cut the stickers, the hard back won't stay because it's not sticky. I hope this makes sense. I know I don't show when I remove the hardcover, but if you do get this type of sheet laminator, just don't forget to remove it before you place it in the mat. Otherwise, it will be a whole mess and really hard to remove the stickers from it. Okay, we're finally ready to cut. Because this laminator sheet is not a Cricut brand, I selected the printable sticker paper in clear color and I added more pressure because why not? Yay, we're finally ready to cut. Okay, so in this part there's no much to say, just make sure none of the corners are sticking out of the mat because that will be a huge mess. The machine first will read the black lines to use them as guide of where to cut the images. And once that part is done, then it will go straight to cut.
Ya terminó.
Okay, it's finally over. Usually to remove the stickers, you just pull the white background and the stickers should stay in the mat. But some of mine didn't stay. So what I did, I focused on the ones that stay in the mat, and it was so easy to take them off. I used my spatula, and yeah. Once I finished with the ones in the mat, I went to the ones that stay on the white paper, and it wasn't bad to remove them. I just needed to use a little bit more of force, but at the end, they all turn out great. After cleaning them a little bit more and doing some weeding in between the flowers, they turn out perfect. I can't complain. I love them so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.